Artoonza.
Hey there, popcorn lovers and future art superstars. If you like this video, smash that like button right now. Yes, right now. I'll wait. Okay. We're drawing an overflowing box of movie theater popcorn today, and it's so full. Kernels might actually jump off the screen into your lap. No promises, though. We're talking big, buttery, glittery popcorn that's honestly too beautiful to eat. Almost. Grab your markers, because this masterpiece is about to pop. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Give us a big thumbs up. Every kernel gets its golden glow now, like tiny little suns that escaped the cinema and landed right in our box. Time to dress this box like it's walking the Hollywood red carpet. We're painting it with the glossiest, fanciest red polish. So shiny, even the popcorn is jealous. This box didn't come to play, it came to slay.
So cute.
And now, silver glitter, because legends always get the sparkle treatment. Smash that like button now. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.